Hello, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen at New Hope Chiropractic. Look on almost any health website and you'll see articles and celebrities praising the ease and benefits of intermittent fasting. Unlike dieting, intermittent fasting actually focuses on when to eat, not what to eat. Fasting intermittently won't undo a poor diet, but the benefits associated with the practice of this intermittent fasting, like supporting a healthy weight, supporting cognitive health, and more, are all pretty promising, and you can be pretty successful with these things with this. The best part for someone that follows an intermittent fasting protocol is how easy it is. Intermittent fasting is extremely straightforward, and you don't have to have any complicated shopping lists or plans or ingredients. Actually, a lot of people turn to intermittent fasting as an incredibly easy way to simplify their health and their lifestyle and actually live a healthy lifestyle, doing it simply, which is one key way to make sure it's successful and that you incorporate it into your lifestyle on a daily and consistent basis. When you fast intermittently, you reduce the amount of food choices you need to make on a given day, and that simplifies things a lot. Also, you abstain from food for longer than you normally would following a standard American diet, and this gives the body a break from constant food digestion. It gives your gut a rest and kind of gives everything a reset in your digestive system. Fasting also kickstarts ketosis, which is the body's natural fat-burning state, and this occurs when it is deprived of glucose. This is one reason why intermittent fasting helps the body to burn fat. Typically, the other reason for weight benefits on this kind of a schedule is because natural caloric restriction occurs with the reduced amount of eating times and stretching out the times between meals. One of the major intermittent fasting benefits is the ability to rev up fat burning and help achieve a healthy weight. In fact, a lot of people prefer intermittent fasting to traditional diets because it doesn't require you to meticulously measure your food, your calories, and track everything, track the individual grams of food that are consumed. Also, IMF results in increased fat burning and fast weight loss by forcing your body to use up fat stores as fuel. When you eat, your body uses glucose or sugar as its primary source of energy and then stores whatever's left over as glycogen in your muscles and your liver. And when you don't give your body a steady stream of glucose, it begins breaking down the glycogen to use as fuel. After the glycogen has been depleted, your body then seeks out alternative sources of energy, like fat cells, for example, which it then breaks down to help power your body. Thus, you lose fat. This is similar to a ketogenic diet, and in this type of diet, you deprive your body of carbohydrates and then force it to use up stored fat for energy. Another way to lose fat. So the four major benefits of intermittent fasting are promoting a healthy weight, supporting a healthy inflammation response, supporting cognitive health, and four, it helps fight stress-induced cravings too. So how do you do intermittent fasting, you may ask? Well, the most common type is, and the easiest one too to start doing, is the 16-8 method. On this intermittent fasting schedule, you would fast for 16 hours per day and then eat in an 8-hour eating window. I know 16 hours may feel like a long time to fast, but this includes the 8 to 9 hours that you sleep each night. So for a lot of people, they just stop eating at 8 p.m. at night, skip breakfast, and eat lunch at noon the next day. There are many resources on other types of intermittent fasting that are available, but the 16-8 method is the one I think is easiest and most beneficial for the majority of people. The concept of intermittent fasting is pretty straightforward. Just forego food for a set amount of time every single day. So you don't need a whole bunch of supplements in order to fast intermittently. You don't need all kinds of expensive diet materials, but you basically just need to make sure that you're waiting the proper amount of time, and then you're keeping yourself off the food during this amount of time, and then your body will gradually use up glycogen and then fat reserves as well, so you can lose weight, feel better, and have more energy. So for more information on this, you can check our website, newhopechiropractic.com, and also remember that you should get your nervous system checked chiropractically if you haven't done so in a while, because we live our lives through our nervous system, and properly functioning nervous system will also make sure that your digestion is working right. And with this, have a very, very healthy day.